In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV in ClickUp. We'll walk through the entire process together, step by step, so you can bring your existing data into ClickUp and start working with it right away. First, make sure you're in the right place inside ClickUp. Open the workspace where you want your data to live and go to a list view. This just helps you visually confirm that you're in the correct space and context before importing anything. Next, move up to the top right corner of ClickUp and click on your profile icon. This is where all of your personal and workspace level settings live. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This will open a new panel or page where you can manage your account and workspace options. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Imports, Exports. Go ahead and click that. This is the dedicated area where ClickUp lets you bring data in from other tools, including CSV or spreadsheet files. Once you're in the Imports/Exports area, choose the option for Spreadsheet. That tells ClickUp you're going to import from a CSV or similar file instead of another platform. Now you'll need to decide where this data should go. Click on Select Location and choose the exact space, folder, or list where you want the imported tasks to be created. In this example, we're choosing a specific team space, but you should select whatever location makes the most sense for your workflow. When you're happy with the location, click Continue. At this point, ClickUp may take a few moments to load the import interface. Just wait for everything to finish loading before you move on, so you don't miss any options or mappings. When the interface is ready, click on Upload File. A file picker will open from your device. Navigate to the CSV file you've prepared, select it, and confirm. It's a good idea to quickly check that your CSV has clear column headers before this step, as those headers will be used in the next screen. After uploading, ClickUp will show you a mapping screen. Here you'll review and confirm how each column in your CSV maps to fields in ClickUp, like task name, description, assignee, due date, and any custom fields you might use. Take your time here and confirm each mapping choice carefully, because this determines how your data will appear once imported. When you're satisfied with the mappings, click Continue. You may see an additional confirmation or summary screen. Again, click Continue to proceed. Next, click on Import into ClickUp to actually start the import process. ClickUp will process your file and create tasks in the location you selected. When that completes, click Next to move to the final part of the setup. The last step is to map the users from your CSV file to the existing members in your ClickUp workspace, or if needed, invite new people. For each user listed from your CSV, choose the corresponding ClickUp member. This ensures that assignees and other user-related fields in your imported tasks match real people in your workspace. Once that's done, your CSV data is successfully imported, organized, and ready to use in ClickUp.